So I'm Catherine Needham. I'm an academic based here in the Health Services Management Centre, and I'm going to talk to you today about what makes good referencing. So referencing is a really key part of your assignments. It can make a difference between an assignment which scores really poorly and one which scores really well if you can get referencing right. So the referencing system we use here is the Harvard referencing system, and that means that whenever you mention or use something that you've found from a source in an assignment, then you put the author's name and the year of publication in brackets after it. And that can be whether it's a quote from that particular source, so you've used the exact words from the source, or whether you've paraphrased them yourself and turned them into your own words. Either way, you have to put a citation there. So a citation is the author and date that goes in the text, and the reference then goes at the end of your assignment as part of your full reference list. Referencing is hugely important. It's how you avoid some of the dangers of plagiarism. So an assignment which doesn't use any source material will always score poorly. One of the things you're really trying to do in a good essay is tell us what other authors have said about this particular issue and to look at differences between particular authors. But in order to do that properly, you have to use referencing. And if you don't use referencing, then there is a danger that you'll be accused of plagiarism because you've been using somebody else's work without properly attributing it. And we have, as part of the assignment marking system, we give marks for sourcing and for presentation. And so making sure your references are accurate, but also that they're properly presented in the Harvard system is really important for that. You don't need to reference your own work unless you've published something elsewhere, in which case you'd use it as another type of source. So this is about work that you've taken from elsewhere. There are software tools that you can use to help you. The one that we use here at Health Services Management Centre is called RefWorks, but there are other software tools available as well. And if you want some help in using RefWorks, then somebody here at HSMC Library can help you. If you have some broader questions about referencing, then the library is a great first port of call. You can also look on the library website, because getting references right can be a bit tricky at first, but once you've cracked it, it's very straightforward and you can stick with that same system for all your assignments that you do here.